The NASDAQ this week has started to rise in value, and then after the week has closed, the price has returned back down. We can see the week started here at the Monday, forming this bearish pin bar, which is a further decline down in value. We can see that, but the price tried to make a bullish breakout and a final formed that next day. But the next day, on Wednesday, the price has formed this bearish candle. It is a bearish breakout which has invalidated this bullish breakout. When this happens, this is usually a trigger to move in the opposite direction, and this is something that has happened on a Thursday, where the price has formed this strong bearish candle, reaching the first support level, which is 20,000, and then on Friday bouncing back up, trying to return it back up. But this was also sellers going outside of their trades, locking their profits. So this has moved and formed this bullish candle with a larger wick with a average body. Now the week has closed as a bearish candle, we can see that, but the 20,000 support level is holding. So this is a bearish engulfing candle formed at the support level. A month has closed as an almost indecision candle. We can see that with a larger wick on the upper side, on the wick on the lower side. So this is just showing me that the bulls have tried to move the price higher, so they are currently more active on the market than they are sellers. The sellers could not push the price lower than this level. We can see that here, and this one, which is 20,000, is still holding. Now this kind of formation, which means a bullish candle and then a decision candle, is usually a signal of continuation of this bullish trend. But if the price forms a bearish candle going below 19,550 this month, this will be a bearish signal where the next target will be 18,313. So in order to continue to rise in value, I need to see the price going above these price levels, especially around 20,000, and we'll see on the lower time frames which are those levels. The weekly shows me a very important support level, 20,000. It needs to hold. If it breaks below, which means below 19,719, we can see that level here, it will trigger a sell-off where the price will try to reach here to 19,300. The daily shows much more clear information. We can see 20,446 needs to make a bullish breakout, like in this example, in order to continue to rise in value. And we can see the next level will be 21,000, which is right here. In order to continue to rise, the bullish breakout needs to form here, but the price first needs to make to reach this area, which is the supply zone, and then form a bullish breakout. The price is currently at this support level, trying to form this bearish breakout, but it was invalidated on the Friday. So currently this is suggesting a further rise in value, at least here where the first resistance, a small one, is, and then the next one where it is visible right here, which is 20,276. So where the NASDAQ could go in the long run, I need to see the price going outside of this range area where the price stayed for a while, and we can see almost 2 weeks. So I need to see where the price will make a breakout. Will it be a bullish breakout with confirmation going above, or it will be bearish breakout suggesting further decline in value? So this is all what I can see for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.